Hello friends, welcome back to the video series in Basics of Shell Scripting. In this video, we would discuss how we can use the break and continue statements in shell scripting. Now where the break statement is used. Practically, to exit from a loop prematured, we use the break statement. Let us create a loop with the for at first. So here we are removing all the codes written in the previous script, and here we are using the for loop. For after that we are providing I is equal to 1, then the semicolon, a space, I less than equal to 10 semicolon space, and after that the increment of the I plus plus space and double parenthesis, and here do after that the statement echo and within double quote writing $I, and here end with the done. So Ctrl S to save the file, and let's check what should be the output. So for that open the terminal, Ctrl L to clear the screen. Now bash hello.sh. So the output is as usual normal from 1 to 10 as written in the script using the for loop. Now we should use the break statement, and for that we can use the if then 5 statement, and here in between the do and done we are writing the script or the extra codes. If then open square bracket, then $I minus GT, that means greater than 5, then end of square bracket. Then we should provide the then keyword, and here we are providing the break statement. After that the 5, and here we are providing the echo, and as usual within double quote we are providing $I. As usual the last keyword must be the done. Ctrl S to save the file. At first check what should be the output. After that we should discuss about the output. So here open the terminal, and here once again bash hello.sh to execute. Here we can find the output is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and not from 6 to 10. Why? Because the break is provided in between the do and done, and also in between the if and 5. If I is greater than 5, break statement is executed forcefully. Then why? Because if I is greater than 5, then you should provide the break, otherwise you should provide the value of I. So when I is equal to 1, there is the output that is not greater than 5. So $I using we are giving the output as 1, and that is happening up to 5. So up to 5 there is the condition is false in the case of if statement. 5 greater than 5 false, so the echo statement $I, that means the 5 is the output. After that when there is the I value 6, then 6 is greater than 5, so that is true condition, then the break statement occurs, or the break works as usual its property. So this is how we can use the break statement to exit from the loop prematurely. Now, how to use the continue statement? The continue statement is different from the break statement. Continue skips the normal execution or iteration and continue to the next iteration. So here we can change the code a little bit. So here if $I is equal to 3, or that means we are providing minus O, $I is equal to 6, then we should continue. So what is the meaning of that particular script? When I is equal to 3 or I is equal to 6, the iteration skips and next iterations happen. So practically what should be the output? Let's check it. At first, Ctrl S to save the script and continue with the terminal at first. Bash hello.sh. Now you can check the output 1, 2. After that, the 3 is not as an output. 4, 5, 6 is not an output. What is happening here? Practically, when I is equal to 1, I equal to 3 or I equal to 6, condition false, and hence echo $I. So that means that condition is false, the continue statement is not executing. That means the iteration is happening. So echo $I, the 1 is the output. After that, I is equal to 2, 2 equal to 3 or 2 equal to 6, condition false. So the continue is not there. So echo $I, that means 2 is the output. Now I is equal to 3, that means 3 is equal to 3, that condition is true. So then continue, that means simply the echo $I is not executing here. The next iteration is happening, that means I plus plus, that is the I is reaching to the value 4. So when I is equal to 4, 4 equal to 3 or 4 equal to 6, condition is false. So continue is not happening, the 4 is the output. Same as for 5, the 5 is the output. But when the 6, I is equal to 6, 6 equal to 3, that is false, or 6 equal to 6, that is true. So the continue statement happens. That means the continue statement says you can skip that particular iteration and proceed to the next iteration. So after 6, when the ith value is 7, 8, 9, 10, there is no problem and the echo $I is executing very finitely. So practically 3 and 6 are missed in case of that particular script. As in the case of I is equal to 3 or I is equal to 6, the iterations are skipped. More precisely, the echo $I is skipped. So when I is equal to 3 and I is equal to 6, the 3 or 6 not printed. So that is how we can use the break statement and the continue statement in the shell script. If you find the video is useful, you can like, share, comment, and also don't forget to subscribe the channel.